Leaving my corporate job seemed terrifying until I found out about digital art flipping. Just 1 month later, I had not only replaced my income, but exceeded it significantly by earning $12,000. Look, on day one, I invested $47.23 in a digital art flipping course. The upfront cost seemed daunting, but that initial investment set the stage for my journey. Here's the thing. By day 7, I uploaded my first flip digital art piece on an online marketplace and scored $312 in sales. The key? Nailing the trending art style. I'm not gonna lie, by day 14, things got serious. I expanded my portfolio, invested in an AI tool for design enhancement, and gained 14 subscribers who were eager for updates. By day 30, I had 312 views on my latest piece. That artwork alone pulled in $3,200, pushing my total earnings to $12,000. The secret was leveraging social proof to drive sales. Act now. This digital art flipping opportunity won't last forever. Start today and see where it takes you.